How to change health status in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and customize the section. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now again, tap on this profile picture. So this will lead you to this editing platform. Here on the bottom, tap on edit profile. Now slowly scroll down. So this is the place where you can customize and add different things to your profile. Here you'll be able to find a section called health. So it is right here. Here there are different options that you can add on. So basically you can write everything about your health and every details about your history about health. So here you can customize it and here you can easily write it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.